Hey guys, I'm Tap, the Artistic Pixel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing an unboxing of the Cyclone Boys 2x2x2 and 3x3x3. So I have opened the box just to see what was inside because I didn't actually know, but I kind of thought it was them. So yeah, let's open the box. Okay, there's the 3x3x3. There's the 2x2. By 2. It's 3 dimension. You see that? Okay, the lighting's not great, okay? See, there it is. Dang it, I ripped the box. Oh well, okay. Goodbye, box. No one cares about you. So, here's a 3x3. Cyclone Boys. Probably can't read it. So yeah, since I just made a video on this, on the 2x2, might as well open that first. Okay, I'm just gonna rip the back. Sorry guys. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Oh, there's instructions, that's nice. If there's instructions for the 3x3x3, that'll be great. I think I'm gonna keep these actually. Okay. You go over there, okay. I'll just keep them. I'll keep them probably over on my dresser. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, it's kind of dirty. Ew, it feels really lubricated. Okay. Okay, that actually feels pretty good. How about corner cutting? I don't know. Okay, it's okay. It could be a little bit better, but I think that's pretty decent for what I paid for. I mean, I only paid $7. Okay, that's gonna go over there. That's a cool box. I love those boxes. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly scramble it up here. See how fast I can solve. Man, it is really loose. I don't know if I like it that loose. I might add some tension or release some. I don't, to be honest, I just know that tension makes it more tight or loose. But I'm not exactly sure if you tighten it. Probably just like, you know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. I don't know. Okay, just a quick solve. Is the color scheme different? I don't actually know. But it starts at a different corner. It starts at the orange corner, so I'll have to change what I normally do, I guess. It's there. Okay, so now, oh boy, I think it's yellow, so maybe. Yeah, it is, okay. Wow, that's fast, okay. I'm not used to it being that fast, used to it being slower. Okay. Whoa. That was way too fast for my liking. Oh, down. Oh, up. Okay. Wow, I'm tripping up. Oh. Oh, down. Oh boy, did I mess that up. Oh, I messed that up. Wow, okay, I'll just put that to the side for now. This may be a longer video than expected. Okay, so here's the 3x3x3. I'm actually not gonna mix this up because I don't actually know how to solve this one. You guys be thinking, oh my gosh, you're such a noob, dude, but I am really. Okay, this does have a little pamphlet, that's good. Okay. I might keep those boxes. Oh, cool. Okay. Ooh, that doesn't sound great. That doesn't sound as good as I thought it would. But I bought Cyclone Boys. I should have bought a Zanchi. But whatever. Corner cutting capabilities. That's actually pretty good. One of my friends told me that stickerless hurts your fingers, but I don't know. I have used a stickerless before and for a while, and it doesn't hurt my fingers. I don't know. That sound is pretty nice, but it's a little too loose. I think I'm gonna have to tighten this one up. The other one, can you just take the cap off? Yep, okay, there's a cap. Okay, so that's how I would tension it. So I am probably gonna do that once I learn a little bit more what tensioning is. Look at that. Oh boy, that's... Okay, I'm gonna do the checker pattern on this one, so. Excuse me, what happened? Did I do something wrong? I guess I did. I'm a noob. Yeah, I'm such a noob that I can't even checker pattern, bro. Do you even checker pattern, bro? No, obviously not. But there you go. That's the checker pattern on the Cyclone Boys 3x3x3. It's pretty cool. I really like this cube, actually. I think it does need to be tensioned a little bit. Like, it's just so loose. It is really loose. Okay, sorry for that, Skip. My sister, I think, is just out of the door listening in on me. She came in and interrupted the video. It's really nice of her. Not really, but yeah, I do need to tension this a bit. So that's that. I'm gonna solve this quick before I end the video. I don't really like the color scheme all that much. The only thing I have a problem with is the blue. I think it's a bit too dark. I'd actually like it if it was a lighter blue, but that's literally my only complaint. And it comes too loose. That's another thing. Okay, so... Okay, okay, there's that side, and okay, so There we go. Now it's solved. I actually wasn't trying to solve it there, or I wasn't trying to solve it that way. Flip. Ah, gosh dang it, really? Okay, let's... Okay, now I have to solve it again. This is way longer than intended, but, you know, it's good times. Good times with me. This feels way nicer though. Okay, there. Finally, done. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys want me to do more unboxing and cubing videos, leave a like. And we'll see you later, Pixels.